been fucking around with, basically last night I cut out this stencil by hand, traced it. I was gonna buy stencils, but I literally just thought, I'll just make them by hand. I literally had to do it with a blade and my finger. My finger's hurting now as well from doing it. But I've got like 4 or 5 of them. I did like a test. They come out pretty cool, nice and sharp, but the edges have curled up first time. So they're one-time use, but on one of them I covered it in tape and then cut through it, but I didn't do it on the first lot. So basically I want to make more of them and just cover them in tape. And I'm going to do the real thing now. And essentially it's ride or die time. Next time I'll probably do it on the wood first, so if it messes up I can just choose like a different piece, kind of like I've done here. But this looks kind of cool, so it will look something like this. We'll be able to see. My son did one on the back as well, so it'd be something like that. You know what, that would kind of look cool too, having like a piece on the front like that, don't you think? That does look kind of cool. Maybe we'll just do that straight up. Okay, I think that's enough stones. Right, it's the moment of truth. I'm scared to do it. I'm gonna have to put a piece there, just in case I miss. Yeah, we'll put this little greasy pamphlet thing here. Well, it's actually for a Ring doorbell thing, which we got. So, put that there. Now hopefully we're good to go. God, this is nerve-wracking, Oh, fuck. First thing I'm gonna do. Fuck. Right, hang on. Right, after that fuck up, let's hope nothing else goes wrong. This is fucked up. Just trying to hold it straight. And that's it. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. I could see like the bees peeled up a bit there, I can see like it's gone around. If this looks shit now and I've just ruined my whole box, I'm not gonna be happy, Put 2 minute hours into this. Alright guys, alright. Consider this your first go, that's not bad. That's not bad, there's a little bit of like extra here. But I think that might pass, for some pictures and that. I'll sand this bit off. I think if I sand round it, maybe I don't know if I can sand in there. What's up guys, it's your boy, back at you with another video, you get me? Hopefully you're not seeing how messy my kitchen is right now. I've just been on a cleaning spree actually in this middle room, which is usually where I do all my woodwork. This was it was destroyed, I'm not gonna lie. So basically it's like 2 AM in the morning, so I was just been struggling cleaning that space, ready for tomorrow. But basically guys, for those who are aware what this YouTube channel is, long story short, I've started a small woodwork and organics company. To explain that, I make things out of wood and I sell plants out my back garden, kind of like a little mini urban ranch. And right now I'm chasing my first sale on Etsy or eBay, because I'm getting my eBay up and running. We haven't had it yet. I've been making and uploading and listing things for a couple of weeks, nothing yet. But I just wanted to document the journey so that if there's anyone out there who's on a similar journey, any up and coming entrepreneurs, anyone who wants to chime in, I thought this would be a good place to get a little bit of extra exposure. So I appreciate anyone who's rolled through. And today, essentially, the last 3 days I've been working on getting all my listings up to date, I made like a shoebox, guys, which is probably going to be in the start of this video, a few clips maybe, because I didn't get to film that yesterday. We finished the storage box, a stenciled shoebox on it. I had to hand cut out the stencil myself and shit, which I was kind of proud of. And then today, I was kind of tinkering in the garden thinking what can I make next, but then I just ended up giving up. Coming back inside, cross-listing some stuff from Etsy to eBay, because I'm in the process of swapping one eBay over, like unlisting some stuff and putting my new stuff on my eBay, because I used to just resell like used stuff from car boots and stuff, so I still kind of do that. I'm trying to phase it out. So that's basically where we're up to, guys. I just wanted to tune in, do a quick update, say I'm still here, still kicking. And when I get this first Etsy sale, I feel like, or eBay, I just want that energy so I can go forwards and have the validation that it's working, you get me? Even though I've sold some of these wooden items before, but it was before, you get me? Things might have changed. So I've got some other ideas for the shoe box. I'm basically just going to do different boxes. I'm going to do like a toy box, and these things have been done. But what I've noticed, and I noticed before, and I've noticed in a lot of markets, sorry the camera's a bit shaky right now, guys, because I'm holding it with my left hand. Long story short, certain things be selling on Etsy which aren't even really like a thing on eBay. Kind of like a rustic storage box as it exists on Etsy isn't really a thing on eBay. It's more like everything other than like rustic storage boxes, and I don't know why. It's like that with some things. There's gaps from like site to site, which I'm hoping I just accidentally fill in these gaps over time, because I'm not purposely like, oh, there's less storage boxes on eBay than there is Etsy, but over time as I build things and I have certain things on Etsy and certain things on eBay, I think I'll be able to take advantage of some of those gaps. To be honest, there's just natural gaps like that, because eBay isn't really considered. Anyone who makes handmade wooden things and shit like that always sell on Etsy. No one really considers eBay for some reason, although eBay, in my personal opinion, is, I won't say it's a bigger platform for handmade, but it's definitely a bigger platform, and it's definitely a handmade part of eBay. So, and also there's more of a wholesale side of eBay, which I think I might be able to take advantage of, like doing large lots of things, you get me? Like buy 100 candle holders instead of one, or a set of candle holders, you know what I mean? So yeah, so that's what I'm thinking of right now, guys. So I'm just gonna keep going, keep tuning in. I'm thinking of starting like keep holding the camera wrong. I'm thinking of starting like a Discord group or something, guys, so we can get like everyone who's in a similar scenario, like out there right now, who's up and coming and hustling. We can all just get in this Discord server and team up. You know what I mean? Like, I'm starting to realize with my age now is that this journey will be so much easier with some like warriors to do it with, you get me? So let me know what you guys think about starting that Discord group, and it could be something that we do alongside this. But anyway, other than that, guys, I appreciate everyone who's rolled through. I'm going to tune out now because it's 2:15 and I wanted to drop this video, and then I'm just going to try and keep dropping and keep improving these videos and stuff like that as time goes on. Yeah, but you know what I'm like, guys. I just be out here, just whap out the camera, quick posting, you get me? But other than that, I appreciate everyone who's rolled through, you know what I mean? And I'll see you guys tomorrow, and we out.